Okay, here we go. He sits in his chair and pretends not to care, tells himself it's not fair, then it crumbles as he tries to recall where he first took the fall. Through it all, he just sits there and mumbles. But it's just for a while, 'cause he's still in denial, and he has an excuse for each stumble. It gets hard to explain when it gets in his brain and causes his thoughts to get jumbled. He's going over the mountain, it's not very far, won't be packing a suitcase or needing his car. He'll throw open his arms, reach for the sky like a baby bird learning to fly. As he passes, just tell him goodbye. He's a baby bird learning to fly. As the birds greet the day, they have sweet things to say, and they tickle the treetops with their chatter. Then he hears with his heart, 'cause that's where it all starts, and he knows it's this moment that matters. As his heart takes control, gets in touch with his soul, though his body is worn, tired and tattered, it will turn him around, that from seeds in the ground, flowers may grow where his ashes are scattered. He's going over the mountain, it's not very far, won't be packing a suitcase or needing his car. He'll throw open his arms, reach for the sky like a baby bird learning to fly. As he passes, just tell him goodbye. Baby bird learning to fly. The chair where he stayed, it's beginning to fade, like the memories left all around us. But it's not like he's gone, we can still hear his song, and sometimes his nearness astounds us. Every time there's a birth, someone's leaving the earth, and the spirits of time, they surround us. So we'll leave on the light in the darkness of night to make sure that God's angels have found us. He's gone over the mountain, he can't be that far, There sits his suitcase, the keys to his car. He threw open his heart and reached for the sky like a baby bird learning to fly. There's no reason to ask yourself why. He's a baby bird learned how to fly. He's a baby bird learned how to fly. Good job. Good job.